All right, good morning, everybody. My name is Cesar Feiju, and I'm going to be talking about the salt mining experiment for my General Chemistry 1 at Duane University. So this would be module or week one experiment. Um, and basically, the salt mining experiment relates to ionic substances or ionic elements and ionic compounds. Basically, an ion is an element that has or an atom that has a charge, right? It can be positive or negative. And salt is an ionic compound, sodium chloride. So sodium is positive and the chloride is negative. Pepper is a naturally occurring compound, and it's a mix of different chemical compounds. Um, so what we'll do here is um, grab a balloon. We'll mix the salt and pepper together, and then we're gonna grab a balloon. I'm gonna rub it against my head, and that will give the balloon an electrical charge. And so it's gonna have electrons running through it, and then with that electrical charge, I'm going to pick up the pepper, and that will separate it from the salt, so that the pepper is easily polarized. So that means that most of the electrons in the pepper go to one side of the pepper of the molecule and leaving the other side mostly with a positive charge. It's still neutral, but one side would be negative, the other side will be mostly positive. So that will make it easier for the balloon with the electrical charge to pick them up from the salt. And the other reason why the pepper will stick most to the balloon other than the salt is because also the salt is heavier than the pepper, so it's more difficult for the balloon to pick them up. But if you put it close enough, the salt will some of the salt will also be attracted by the balloon. So I'm just gonna run the video to show how I did the um, the experiment. So we just use regular salt and regular black pepper. Yeah, you can see it there in the plate, and just a regular balloon. So you rub it against your hair. I don't have much hair, but whatever I got in there was able to electrify, put some electrons in that balloon. And you can see how and you can see and you can actually hear how the pepper is being picked up there. And mostly the pepper was picked up from that mixture. So that's it, guys. I think this experiment is pretty simple, but it shows very nicely how um, or basically how can I say, how it explains um, the existence of ionic compounds and the substances and molecules that are negative and positive, and how positive and negative attract each other, and same charges repel each other. So you can see that the positive pepper was attracted to the negative electrons in the balloon. That's about it. Thank you. See you later.